Right now, film sentiment is experiencing an unusual spike, with a score of plus 0.26 and momentum at plus 0.28, markedly above its historical baseline. This uptick indicates a distinct shift in audience perception and engagement, with 19 semantic clusters highlighting diverse themes that resonate with viewers. Using our API, you'll receive granular insights into sentiment trends and thematic elements, allowing you to gauge audience reactions in real time. Imagine integrating this into your film marketing strategy. You could adapt campaigns based on shifting sentiments, ensuring your message aligns with current audience emotions. Want to dive deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. This is where you can start leveraging sentiment data to drive your projects forward.